The first step to becoming a foster carer is to call us on 1300 000 WCF. When a child comes into care, our priority is to find them a loving, safe and permanent home. What are the different types of care? Restoration is reuniting a child or young person with their parents where it is safe to do so. We recognise that wherever possible, children do best with their family. Our foster carers work closely with the child, their family and significant others to create a positive and supportive environment for the child to return home. William Campbell Foundation. Contact our team about starting your journey.